Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. As artificial intelligence continues to transform how we work and create, many powerful AI tools have emerged that can significantly boost productivity and creativity. The good news is that you don't need to break the bank to access these revolutionary technologies. Today's comprehensive guide explores 5 exceptional AI tools that are completely free and specifically designed with beginners in mind. These tools require no technical expertise or coding knowledge, making them perfect starting points for anyone looking to harness the power of AI. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Let's get into it. For newcomers to the AI space, free tools provide a critical entry point that allows experimentation and learning without financial commitment. The ability to test various AI capabilities helps beginners understand practical applications and develop comfort with these technologies before potentially investing in premium options. Many free tools also offer intuitive interfaces specifically designed for non-technical users, creating a gentle learning curve that builds confidence and competence. Free AI tools are particularly valuable for students, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creative professionals who may have limited budgets but ambitious goals. These resources enable users to produce professional quality work, automate routine tasks, and explore new creative directions without cost barriers. Additionally, many free tools serve as stepping stones to more advanced applications, allowing users to gradually build their AI skill set and literacy at their own pace and according to their specific needs. The first free tool, Canva's AI Art Generator, represents one of the most accessible and powerful free AI tools available to beginners in 2025. This innovative feature within the popular design platform allows users to transform simple text descriptions into stunning, unique artwork within seconds. The process operates on a straightforward premise. You imagine the concept, describe it in words, and the AI generates original art pieces instantaneously, providing endless creative possibilities for presentations, social media posts, marketing materials, and personal projects. What makes Canva's AI Art Generator particularly valuable for beginners is its seamless integration within Canva's already user-friendly interface. There's no need to learn a complex new system or develop technical skills to create professional quality visuals. The tool's natural language processing capabilities understand a wide range of descriptive terms, artistic styles, and visual concepts, allowing users to experiment with different prompts to achieve desired results. Whether you need abstract backgrounds, thematic illustrations, or stylized imagery, the AI can generate options that would otherwise require substantial graphic design expertise or financial investment. To use this tool, simply sign up for a free Canva account, navigate to the Apps, then AI-powered section, type your descriptive prompt, and watch as multiple artistic interpretations appear before you. You can refine your results by adjusting your descriptions with more specific details about style, mood, colors, or composition. Once generated, these images can be directly incorporated into any Canva design project or downloaded for use elsewhere. This integration with Canva's broader design ecosystem makes the AI Art Generator particularly valuable for creating cohesive visual content across multiple platforms and formats. Second free tool, for anyone who struggles with writing or needs to produce large volumes of content, Copy.ai stands out as an exceptional free resource. This AI copywriting tool generates unique content based on simple topic descriptions, making it invaluable for creating blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, marketing copy, and even creative content. For beginners intimidated by the blank page or those seeking to improve their productivity, Copy.ai removes many barriers to effective content creation. The tool's user-friendly approach requires no specialized knowledge. After signing up for a free account, users simply provide a brief description of their desired topic and select the type of content they need. Copy.ai then leverages advanced language models to generate relevant, engaging text that can serve as a finished product or a starting point for further refinement. The platform offers specialized templates for different content needs, helping beginners understand the structure and style appropriate for various formats from email newsletters to social media posts. What makes Copy.ai particularly valuable in 2025 is its ability to adapt to different brand voices and writing styles. The tool can generate content that matches specific tones, whether professional, conversational, persuasive, or informative, giving beginners access to versatile writing capabilities that would typically require years of experience to develop. This flexibility allows users to maintain consistent messaging across different channels while saving significant time and creative energy. As digital content continues to drive engagement and business success, Copy.ai provides beginners with a powerful ally in creating compelling communications without specialized writing expertise. Third free tool. In today's digital landscape, engaging visual content has become essential across platforms, but creating professional-looking images has traditionally required design skills and expensive software. Bing AI Image Maker changes this equation by offering a free AI-powered image creation platform that transforms text descriptions into stunning visuals with minimal effort. The platform's intuitive interface and advanced AI capabilities make professional-quality image generation accessible to complete beginners, democratizing a medium that drives significant engagement across social and business channels. The magic of Bing AI Image Maker lies in its ability to generate detailed, high-quality images based on text prompts. Users can simply type a description of what they want to see, and the AI will create multiple image variations that match the description. The system utilizes DALL-E, OpenAI's powerful text-to-image model, allowing it to understand complex concepts and create visually appealing images that would be difficult or impossible to produce through traditional means. This breakthrough technology puts professional-level image creation capabilities in the hands of anyone with an internet connection and a Microsoft account. Using Bing AI Image Maker is remarkably straightforward. After signing in with a Microsoft account, users navigate to the image creator page where they can enter detailed prompts describing the desired images. The AI then generates 4 different images based on the prompt, allowing users to choose the one that best matches their vision. For beginners exploring AI image generation, this offers an accessible entry point with no learning curve. Simply describe what you want, and the AI does the rest. This simplicity combined with impressive results makes Bing AI Image Maker an invaluable resource for content creators, marketers, educators, and anyone needing visual assets without graphic design expertise. Fourth free tool. Hugging Face's Kiki XTTS represents one of the most remarkable free voice technology tools available today. This powerful text-to-speech AI model can clone voices with just 6 seconds of audio input, effectively bridging the gap between written content and personalized audio experiences. For beginners interested in adding voice components to their projects, Kiki XTTS offers an accessible entry point that requires minimal technical knowledge while delivering professional quality results. What sets Kiki XTTS apart from other voice generation tools is its sophisticated ability to clone voices across different languages. The system can take a brief voice sample in one language and use it to generate speech in completely different languages while maintaining the voice's distinctive characteristics. This cross-language capability opens up extraordinary possibilities for content creators, educators, and businesses looking to deliver personalized audio experiences in multiple languages without recording separate voice samples for each. The model builds upon the foundations of Tortoise TTS but incorporates important improvements that make it especially suitable for multilingual applications. Using Kiki XTTS is surprisingly accessible. The tool can be installed locally on a Windows computer, allowing users to generate voice content without relying on cloud services or subscriptions. The process involves a straightforward installation that can be completed in minutes, after which users can provide text input and a short voice sample to generate customized speech. For those who prefer not to install software, Hugging Face also offers a web interface where users can experiment with the technology. This flexibility, combined with high-quality output and cross-language capabilities, makes Kiki XTTS an invaluable resource for beginners exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and voice technology. And lastly, for beginners looking to enhance their organizational and project management capabilities, Trello provides an exceptional entry point into AI-assisted workflow management. This intuitive, visual platform stands out for its Kanban-based approach to organizing tasks and projects, helping users visualize workflows and track progress through customizable boards, lists, and cards. The simple yet powerful interface makes it particularly valuable for those new to project management tools, providing structure without overwhelming complexity. What makes Trello especially beginner-friendly is its straightforward approach to project organization. After signing up for a free account, users can create boards representing different projects or areas of responsibility. Within each board, lists typically represent workflow stages, like to do, in progress, and completed, and individual cards represent specific tasks or items. This visual approach allows users to see the status of all tasks at a glance, making it easier to prioritize work and identify bottlenecks. Cards can be customized with due dates, checklists, attachments, and comments, providing a comprehensive view of each task without requiring complex setup or configuration. In 2025, Trello has further enhanced its value through AI integration, revolutionizing how teams collaborate and manage projects. The platform now offers AI-powered features that can predict potential risks, automate routine tasks, analyze historical project data, and assist with planning. These intelligent capabilities complement Trello's core functionality, providing suggestions and insights that help beginners make better decisions and work more efficiently. The combination of an intuitive interface with powerful AI assistance makes Trello an invaluable tool for individuals and teams looking to improve their organizational capabilities without a steep learning curve or significant investment. The 5 free AI tools we've explored are Canva's AI Art Generator, Copy.ai, Bing AI Image Maker, Hugging Face's Kiki XTTS, and Trello, represent extraordinary opportunities for beginners to harness artificial intelligence without financial investment. These accessible entry points into AI-assisted work and creativity can dramatically enhance productivity, expand creative possibilities, and help level the playing field between individuals and larger organizations with more substantial resources. By starting with these user-friendly tools, beginners can build confidence and competence in working with AI while producing professional quality outputs across multiple media formats. What are the free AI tools that are user-friendly for beginners you are using now? Share in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. That's it for today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.